ZoneAdds, World of Local Business Info.
Sit right. Vaibhav, sit straight. Charit. Rohan. Yeah, all the boys now please pay attention. All the NCC cadets sit at behind. Go back and sit. Kavita, మీరు గేట్ డోర్ అవతల ఉండాలి. Okay. Now students, all the boys, you need to understand this session is exclusive for the boys. And this is to educate you all to say what is right, what is wrong at this teenage time. Sit right, Bharat, sit right. Yes. Now boys, those who are not serious about the session, I want you all to be serious and focus for a half an hour session this. Everyone sit right.
Telugu, English and Hindi so that you all can participate, you all can engage and understand. Does that sound good? Okay? Congratulations to you because as I entered the school, I saw Sankranti Sambaralu. So it is very well done. Those pictures, that Bogi Kunda and all that thing is very well done. So very happy to see that and wishing you all a very happy Sankranti. Thank you. So now if everybody is settled, we will start interacting. Okay. But today's session is exclusively for boys, by boys. Then your question must be, why am I talking to you, right? I will just do the introduction part and I will leave this class because I want boys to talk to boys so that you can clear all your doubts. Okay. Today we are going to talk about 4 things. Okay? First will be briefly about child rights. Second, it will be about body mapping, developmental changes that happens, why it happens, and how do we respond to that. And third, we will talk about why to say no, when to say no, and how to say no. That means how to protect ourselves from bad peer pressure. And fourth will be on how can we contribute for a better society as an individual. Okay? These sessions will be done by a team of 4 boys who are standing behind me. They will use all 3 multiple languages, English, Hindi and Telugu, so that they can interact. You can see we don't have any PowerPoint presentation. We did not bring any PowerPoint presentation intentionally because we wanted this session to be as interactive as possible so that you can interact, you can clarify all your doubts. So feel free, be free to ask your questions and clarify if you have any questions. Okay? So we will start. There will be some exercises also, some interactive exercises also the boys will make you to do. So we will be taking up this session. Okay?
Hi everyone. That's it? Hi. How are you all feeling? Okay. From the beginning we'll start from, is there anyone interested in telling some of their happiest and saddest moments in their life till now? Anyone interested in sharing their happiest and saddest moments? If there are no sad moments, you can share your happy moments. Example, you're getting games. Share your. Do not భయపడకండి. Don't feel any fear. We can talk openly.
My saddest moment of my life where my grandmother passed
First
away.
off, get up. First, introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Aditya.
Your name is?
Aditya.
Aditya. Which standard?
My saddest moment of my life is where my grandmother passed away.
Okay. Any happy moments?
My happiest moment where my mother took me to a water park. I begged her to take me there until finally she took me.
Nice. Good. Thanks, Aditya. Anyone else? Can everyone understand me? Yes, get up.
Who is it?
Someone raise their hand in the back. Who's that? Get up. Mike. Yes, be quiet. Please be quiet. Listen to others.
Hello.
Hi.
My name is Manu Dharma.
Yes, stop. Let him talk once. Let him talk.
My happiest moment is getting the best dancer award.
Anyone else?
The sad moment is my grandfather died. Happy birthday.
So, how are you? ఈ స్కూల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలా బ్రేవ్ అని విన్నాను. నా వాయిస్ లాస్ట్ వరకు వినబడుతుందా? ఈజ్ ఆల్ కంఫర్ట్ విత్ తెలుగు? తెలుగు స్టేట్స్లో ఉండి తెలుగు రాకపోవడం ఏంటి సార్ అని అంటారా? కాసేపు సైలెంట్గా ఉండండి. మేము ఎందుకు వచ్చామంటే మిమ్మల్ని డిస్టర్బ్ చేయడానికి కాదు. మీ క్లాస్ మాత్రం బోర్ కొట్టనివ్వము. కాసేపు మేము చెప్పేది వినాలి. మేము ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన పర్పస్, మీ అందరికీ చైల్డ్ రైట్స్ గురించి తెలుసా? ఇక్కడ ఎవరికైనా?
Everyone? Is there anyone who everyone here understand Telugu? Be quiet. Who doesn't understand Telugu? Please raise your hand. Okay, hands down. Sir is asking, do you know about child rights? Do you have any idea about child rights?
ఆ లాస్ట్లో హ్యాండ్ రైస్ చేస్తున్నారు కొంతమంది, మాకు తెలుసు సార్ అని.
Please raise your hand if you know about child rights.
You.
Yes, be quiet,
Keep
please.
silence. So, what's your name? I ask, what's your name?
My name is Anish.
What?
My name is Anish.
Anish.
Anish,
Okay,
1
Anish.
second. Shankar, 1 second. If you shout again, we will just leave this room. If any one of you started shouting again, we'll just leave this room and say nothing.
Still anybody wants to shout? Hey, sit properly. Sit alert, everyone. Sit straight. You should understand when there is a resource person is talking over there, it is useful for you. They came all the way to hear all these things. Or you want to prove that you are from other any family background or something like that. Should I speak like this now? You want to prove like that? Now what impact you are giving now? You should understand when there is a resource person is talking, you should listen. If you have any doubt.
సో అనీష్ నీకు చైల్డ్ రైట్స్ గురించి ఏం తెలుసు తెలిసింది చెప్పు మరీ అనవసరం.
Some of the child rights that I know are right to education, right against exploitation, and right against the child labor.
వెరీ గుడ్ వెరీ గుడ్. ఇంకెవరైనా ఉన్నారా?
They can repeat also if they want.
ఎనీబడి?
Anyone else?
ఓకే. చైల్డ్ రైట్స్ ఆర్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ 4 types. బేసికలీ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ 54 చైల్డ్ రైట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? అవి 4 typesలో డివైడ్ అయి ఉంటాయి. బట్ ఈ ఏజ్లో మనం తెలుసుకోవాల్సింది మీరు ఇక్కడ నుంచే తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ అనమాట. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ చైల్డ్ రైట్స్లో మనం తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన 4 typesలో డివైడ్ అయ్యాయని చెప్పాను కదా నేను. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ సర్వైవల్. ఏంటది? సో సర్వైవల్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ ఎవరికైనా తెలుసా సర్వైవల్ అంటే? వాట్స్ యువర్ నేమ్?
Manudharma.
Manudhar and Anish, iddare unnara? Only those two are talking. Anyone else? No one?
ఇట్ సైడే మాట్లాడుతున్నారు.
Left side. To my left, no one is talking.
ఓకే యూ సే సర్వైవల్ అంటే ఏంటి? వాట్ సర్వైవల్? నీకు తెలిసిందే చెప్పు.
Living.
లివింగ్. సర్వైవల్ అంటే లివింగ్. గుడ్ సిట్. మీరు సర్వైవల్ అంటే సినిమాలు చూసుంటారు. సర్వైవల్ మూవీస్ కేటగిరీ ఎవరైనా చూస్తారా? జీనర్ మూవీస్ మీకు తెలిసిన ఒక్క మూవీ చెప్పండి ఏదైనా. జురాసిక్ పార్క్. ఓకే 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 నేను చెప్తాను. ఒక మనిషికి సాధారణంగా బ్రతకడానికి కావాల్సింది ఏంటి అంటే తనకి బతకడానికి కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? ఎవరైనా ఒక్కరు చెప్పండి. ఒక్కరు, అందరూ కాదు, ఒక్కరు. ఎనీవన్, యూ లాస్ట్ వన్. సో వాట్స్ యువర్ నేమ్?
Sankeet.
సన్వీర్.
Sankeet.
సంకీ.
Yeah.
సో నీకు సర్వైవల్ గురించి ఏం తెలుసు?
Survival. We need oxygen to survive. Food, water.
ఫుడ్, వాటర్.
Oxygen, yeah.
ఒక మనిషికి కావాల్సింది ఫుడ్, వాటర్, ఆక్సిజన్ అని చెప్తున్నావు. ఓకేనా? ఎస్. మరి వేసుకోవడానికి
Clothes and
క్లాత్స్ అవి అక్కర్లేదా?
we need them also.
పూర్వం మనుషులు ఏం చేసేవాళ్ళు?
Like
అలా మళ్ళీ ఫుల్గా వేసుకునే వాళ్ళు కాదుగా.
they used to wear animal skin.
యా వెరీ గుడ్. సిట్ వన్. ఇక్కడ మూవీస్ చూస్తారా అందరూ? నేను హాలీవుడ్ మూవీస్ గురించి చెప్పను. ప్రస్తుతం మన తెలుగు మూవీస్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. రీసెంట్గా వచ్చిన కుబేరా ఎవరు చూశారు ఇక్కడ? ఓ చాలామంది చూసుంటారు. అందులో మీకు ఒక క్యారెక్టర్ బాగా గుర్తుండిపోయి ఉంటుందిగా. తను ఎలా సర్వైవ్ అయ్యాడు అంటే తనకి కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? రోజు ఒక భిక్షగాడికి కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? వేసుకోవడానికి గుడ్డ, కూడు, అంతేగా? అదే చూస్తాడు. సో మనం సర్వైవల్ అంటే ఏం లేదండి. ఇప్పుడు సర్వైవల్ అంటే ఒక మనిషికి బ్రతకడానికి కావాల్సిన నీడ్స్ అన్నమాట. అర్థమైందా? సర్వైవల్ అంటే ఏంటి? నెక్స్ట్ థింగ్ మనం ఇప్పుడు చెప్పుకోవాల్సిన విషయం ఏంటంటే ఒక మనిషి పెరగడానికి కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? మనం తినే ఫుడ్ ఏంటి? మనం తీసుకునే నీడ్స్ ఏంటి? మనం వేసుకునే డ్రెస్ ఏంటి? మనం రోజు చేస్తునే పనులేంటి? వాటి మీద మన థాట్ ప్రాసెస్ అనేది వాటి మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుందండి. సో నెక్స్ట్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే మనం 4 టైప్స్ అన్నాను కదా. ఫస్ట్ వన్ సర్వైవల్ అయిపోయింది కదా. సర్వైవల్ మీద అందరికీ ఒక అవగాహన వచ్చిందా? ఇటు సైడ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలా యాక్టివ్గా ఉన్నారు, మరి ఇటు సైడ్ ఏమిటి? సో నెక్స్ట్ థింగ్, వాట్ ఈస్ డెవలప్మెంట్? డస్ ఎనీవన్ నో డెవలప్మెంట్? Does anyone know development? Hello?
Children, what do you know about the word development? Anyone? What do you mean by development? Anyone? Stand up.
And watching.
Last. Advancing in what? Advancing in studies, life, sports.
I'm Ravitej. Advanced technology. Technology means advanced technology of anything.
Say loudly, say loudly.
My name is Sahash. Development means getting better in something. Getting better in something. Any activities, job, studies.
Okay, what is development? Anyone else? Yeah, please introduce yourself.
My name is Sankir, and development, I feel like we're using technology to make life easier.
Good, thanks. Anyone else? Yeah, stand up. Stand up.
Development means improving something. Kudu.
Stand up first.
Getting better at something.
Getting better at
Something.
what?
Football.
Say again.
Anything.
What do you mean by anything? In bunking classes? In shouting? Anything? What?
Academics.
Academics.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Anyone else? No. Get up.
My name is Soham. I'm good at cricket.
Tell your name again.
Soham.
Okay. What do you want to say?
I'm getting good at cricket.
Getting good at cricket. Anyone? Okay. How many categories of rights are there for children?
Development is something KCR did.
Okay, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. Be quiet. What's your name?
Varshit Naik.
Varshit. Okay. What do you want to say?
Development is something KCR did.
Good. Okay. Answer my question. How many categories are there in rights? In child rights? 4 categories. What are they?
Survival and development. Development. That's it. I know 2 of them.
Okay, repeat after me. How many rights are there? How many categories of rights are there? 4. Survival, development, protection, and participation. Okay, first we'll talk about survival. Survival rights. Many children in rural areas cannot live till 10 years also. Do you know that? Because of their conditions and health. Many children cannot live up to 10 years also. Surviving in life is the most basic thing. If you survive, then only you can develop, you can stand up. Stand up. I said stand up. Is there anyone here who are not interested in this thing? Which class? Which standard? Okay. Survival rights. After that, what comes? Development. Developing in academics, in sports, in any extracurricular activities which you are interested. It may be drawing, it may be skating, it may be dancing, anything that helps your life. And you can freely perform. You are not forced by anyone to quit playing games or stopping what you like. Is the rights of development. And now what comes next? Protection rights. Having a shelter, having a family which protects you from any bad situations. Someone said, losing my grandparent, losing my grandmother. Like that, if your family elders are gone, there are no one who can protect you in tough situations. Those are protection rights. If anyone want to sleep, go out, go to your classrooms and sleep. Then comes participation rights. Can anyone tell me? Participation rights. Explain your participation rights. Participation rights, explain. Okay, Shankar, call 2 people. But before, anyone interested in drawing? Come here. Come here, come fast.
We need 2 good artists.
We need 2. We have 1. We got 2. We got 2. We got 2. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Now we will learn about body mapping. Havish, they will draw diagram of a male, a boy and a girl. Okay? Yes, be quiet. Make it fast. Don't worry, no one's going to judge you. Okay? This is not a competition. Boys from left side. You're 2 back. No, you can come this side. Yes, no laughing. Don't laugh on someone. Don't laugh on anyone. Okay. Shankar,
మీకు కనిపిస్తుంది ఏంటి?
what are these drawings? Can anyone tell me? Yes. A boy and a girl. A boy and a girl. Yes. How can we differentiate between a boy and a girl? How can you say this is a boy or this is a boy? Or how can you say this is a girl or this is a girl? Opinions like? Hair, face. Okay. Now, this sir here will explain you the difference in the bodies between boy and a girl, okay?
ఒక బాయ్ ఒక గర్ల్ అని మనం ఎలా డిఫైన్ చేస్తాం? ఒక్కరు చెప్పండి. ఎనీవన్? యూ.
Please talk in English, sir. I don't understand Telugu.
Okay. How will you define boy and girl?
It's a hair.
Okay. Hair. Only hair. Okay. No problem.
Physical features.
Facial features. Okay. He said facial features. Let me know another difference. Okay. Some other says hair, someone says facial features. Also height. But ఒక బాయ్ అండ్ గర్ల్ డిఫరెన్స్ అనేది ఏ ఏజ్లో మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలం? కాస్త సైలెంట్గా ఉండండి. ఒక్క 15 minutes మేము చెప్పేసి వెళ్తాం. ఏ ఏజ్లో మనం డిఫైన్ చేస్తాం? సో నేనే చెప్తాను. 8 yearsలో 8 years అప్పుడు మనం ఒక బాయ్ అండ్ గర్ల్ అనేది డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. అది ఎలా? 8 years వరకు బాయ్ అండ్ గర్ల్ సేమ్గానే ఉంటారు. ఓకేనా? అంటే బర్త్ స్టార్ట్ అయిన నుంచి 8 years వరకు ఒక బాయ్ ఒక గర్ల్ ఇద్దరు ఏం వేసుకున్నా సరే ఐడెంటిఫై అవ్వదు. బట్ 8 years అప్పుడే మనకి ఒక బాయ్ అండ్ గర్ల్ అనేది మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం. అది ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం?
Who's 6th class? Who's 6th standard studying? 6th class, anyone? Come forward. New. From last 1 year, from last 2 years. Any one of you?
Become taller.
Anything except height.
I became smarter.
Okay, anything? Okay, let me tell you basic changes in a male. We'll talk about, you are all our boys, no? So basic changes in a boy. What happens? Be quiet, please. Yes, students. Facial hair, mustache and beard. Anything?
Students?
Body hair, good.
Sit down.
Starting of your puberty. Change in your tone. Change in your tone, your voice. Changing in your tone, facial hair, body hair. These are all the changes, basic changes in a boy. Are there anything else? And what are the reasons for these changes? Can anyone know? Do you know? Do anyone of you know? Who said that puberty? Stand up. Okay, whoever said puberty, that's right, that's correct. First you said, what's your name? I can't hear you. Rohan, good.
వన్ బాయ్ అండ్ గర్ల్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎలా డివైడ్ చేస్తాం? 8 years తర్వాత బాయ్ అనేది ఇలా మారుతుంది, గర్ల్కి అనేది ఇలా వస్తుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఏ జోక్ గైస్, ఇట్స్ ఎ సీరియస్ థింగ్. ఓకే, ఇందులో మనం నవ్వటానికి జోక్ అనే దానికి ఏం లేదు. మనం డైలీ చూస్తున్న వాళ్ళమే, మన ఫ్యామిలీలో చూస్తాం, మన రిలేటివ్స్ వాళ్ళందరిలో చూస్తుంటాం. అలా డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ డిఫరెన్స్ మనం 8 years తర్వాత ఒక బాయ్కి ఒక గర్ల్కి వచ్చే డిఫరెన్స్. ఒక బాయ్కి ప్యాంట్ వస్తుంది, ఒక అమ్మాయికి స్కర్ట్. అలా డివైడ్ అవుతారు బాయ్ అండ్ గర్ల్. సో వాళ్ళు రియలైజ్ అయ్యే ఏజ్, నేను ఒక బాయ్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ ఏ గర్ల్ అని వాళ్ళు రియలైజ్ అయ్యే ఏజ్ అది. ఓకేనా? 10th స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారా ఇక్కడ? హలో,
10th స్టూడెంట్స్.
హౌ టు రెస్పెక్ట్ ఏ ఉమెన్, హౌ టు రెస్పెక్ట్ ఏ గర్ల్ అనేది మీరు తెలుసుకోవాలి. సార్ ఎప్పుడు మాకైనా గర్ల్స్కి ఏమి ఉండవా అంటే వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఉంటాయి కొన్ని రూల్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్, బట్ మనం తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన కూడా చాలా ఉండాలి. సో మీ ఫ్యామిలీలో ఉంటారు, మీ సిస్టర్ ఉంటారు, మీ మదర్ ఉంటారు, వీళ్ళందరినీ మనం ఎలా రెస్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం? సో మీరు మీ మదర్ని ఎలా రెస్పెక్ట్ చేస్తారు? డస్ ఎనీవన్? హౌ యూ రెస్పెక్ట్ యువర్ మదర్? No one interested to talk about your mother? ఓకే, మనం మన మదర్ని, మన సిస్టర్ని ఎలా గౌరవిస్తున్నామో, ఎలా రెస్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నామో బయటకి సొసైటీలోకి 10th స్టూడెంట్స్ తెలుసుకోవాల్సింది. బయటకు వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత కూడా ఈరోజు మీ ఫ్యాకల్టీ వాళ్ళు వీళ్ళు అందరూ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఉంటారు, బట్ బయటకు వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత అక్కడ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ మారిపోతాయి, మిమ్మల్ని డిస్రెస్పెక్ట్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు. సో అక్కడ మీరు ఎలా సర్వైవ్ అవుతున్నారు? మీరు మీ ఎల్డర్స్ని కానీ మీ కొత్త ఫ్యాకల్టీ వస్తారు, రేపు 10th అయిపోతుంది, సో మీరు ఇంకా హైయర్ స్టాండర్డ్స్కి వెళ్తారు. అక్కడ మీ స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి అనేది మీ టీచర్స్ వాళ్ళని మీరు ఎలా రెస్పెక్ట్ చేస్తారు? మీ కొత్త ఫ్రెండ్స్ వస్తారు, వాళ్ళు గర్ల్స్ అయినా కావచ్చు, వాళ్ళని మీరు ఎలా రెస్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎందుకంటే మనం మన ఎదుటివారిని ఎలా రెస్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం అన్న దాన్ని బట్టే మనల్ని వాళ్ళు ఎలా రెస్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు అని బట్టి ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఒక అమ్మాయిని మనము డిస్రెస్పెక్ట్ చేసి మాట్లాడామనుకోండి, సో ఆ అమ్మాయి కూడా మనతో అలా మాట్లాడితే ఎలా ఉంటుంది మన వేరే వాళ్ళకి? ఏరా రారా పోరా అని నేను పబ్లిక్లో అంటే ఎలా ఉంటుంది? సో అలాంటివి కమింగ్ జనరేషన్స్లో జరగకూడదు అనేదే మేము ఇలా ప్లాన్ చేయడం జరిగిందనమాట. సో ఈ జనరేషన్ నుంచే మనం కొత్త జనరేషన్ని స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఎందుకంటే మీరందరూ న్యూస్ ఫాలో అవుతూనే ఉంటారు కదా? న్యూస్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా ఇక్కడ ఎవరైనా? మన సొసైటీలో క్రైమ్ రేట్స్ చాలా పెరుగుతున్నాయి కదా. చాలా క్రైమ్ రేట్స్, రేప్ కేసెస్ అని అవన్నీ వస్తాయి. ఎందుకు వస్తాయి అలా? అసలు ఒక మనిషి థాట్, ఒక బ్రెయిన్లో అలాంటి థాట్ ఎలా వస్తుంది? సో ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఎడ్యుకేట్ అవ్వకపోవడమే, ఈ ఏజ్లో వాళ్ళు ఎడ్యుకేట్ అవ్వకపోవడమే అలాంటి క్రైమ్ రేట్స్ మనకి పెరుగుతున్నాయి. సో ఈ జనరేషన్ నుంచే మనం అలాంటి థాట్ ప్రాసెస్లో ముందుకు వెళ్ళగలిగితే అప్కమింగ్ ఫ్యూచర్ చాలా బాగుంటుందని నేను ఖచ్చితంగా నమ్ముతాను.
Giving birth is not that simple. You face 100x pain when you're in one period. And many men say it's just pregnancy. Why are you seen in some movies where they want the woman to drop the child because it's a girl, right? That, my dear, is the very reason we are talking right now.
This is why the guys should also be here so we can listen to it as well.
Bhavani ma'am just did go to speak to them.
Here in this school, they segregate boys and girls all the time. They segregate boys and girls in swimming. Whenever we sit in the auditorium, they never want them to mix.
That is because
recently there was a news where there was an MLA from Karnataka that said that rape was inevitable and we should just lie down and enjoy it. Quote on quote, he said that.
Yeah.
What is your opinion on that?
exact words he said, and I've heard that particular line for years. I am not for it. If so recently an MLA from Karnataka said in assembly, mind you, where the laws are created, he said if rape was inevitable, we should just lie down and enjoy. Yeah, that's what he said. If rape, you understand rape, right? Sexual harassment, forcing a man onto women. You know where that line comes from? Do you know how much of, men are superior or men are stronger than women, or how many years and decades and centuries of, that mentality that women are just objectified? That mentality shows, that rotten mentality shows in these particular lines of our own MLAs and MPs. Do you guys even know how many of our politicians have criminal records? I'm speaking about Indian politicians, my dear. Correction. 70% of them have it.
Girls, you may ask questions regarding hygiene and any health-related concerns. Please, this is the time to ask them the questions. If you have any doubts, please ask them.
Okay, we got out of topic here. So let's get back. How many of you get irregular periods? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's fine if you get irregular. I have irregular periods. Sometimes I don't get periods for almost 6 months. Trust me, I'm facing that. I did face that.
My mother does. My mother does.
Yeah. So these are the issues we are facing these days. And how many of you have consulted a doctor? The girls who raise their hands that they have irregular periods. How many of you have gone to a doctor? You have? You have? You have? How many have not? Even though having irregular periods, you have not visited a doctor. And why? Why did you not go to a doctor? Because it's also a health condition, right? Why did you not? Yeah, why did you not? Do your parents know that you are having irregular periods? Huh? You three. Do your parents know that you are having irregular periods? Correction. Does your father know you are having irregular periods?
He doesn't even know that I have periods.
That is exactly what you have to talk to him. The next time he comes and sits at home while he's watching TV or something, go sit with him. Dad, as you know, I'm getting my periods, but they are very irregular. I want to go to a doctor. Say that to him and let's talk to him about this. The main reason we don't talk to our parents, especially fathers, about our periods is because we are conditioned to think that men won't understand. Right? Men do understand. Men in my life know when I'm on my periods. Men in my life do care when I have irregular periods. Men do understand. The fact that we think it is a mindset that men won't understand needs to change. You should talk to your fathers also as you speak to your mothers about periods. You should. It's a must because let's be honest. A father knowing you have an health issue, he would react more severely than your mother. Your mom would say you are running a fever. Your mom would say just sleep it off. It will go off. Right? And your father would actually make a big fuss of it. Right? It does happen. Most families it does happen. You should. Talking about menstruation is not wrong. Okay? Anybody has any more questions on periods, on good touch and bad touch, or, just the general mindset of men not understanding? Men don't understand. That's what we're taught, right? They do understand. That's what I was trying to tell you. Yeah? Yeah? Please stand up. Can you stand? Can you say that again?
What's the difference between a panty liner and a pant?
Panty liners are like, something. It's a strip kind of a thing that covers the line we have. The extra elastic we have, no, it's visible when you wear tight clothes. So you wear a panty liner to hide that. And panties obviously are underwear. Okay? Yeah? Your good name? Why should you not tell your dad when your mom also already knows?
Maybe because I'm more comfortable with my mom and I don't seek too much help, just how much is required.
Then it's a general information. When you're in a family, if your dad has headache, your mom, you and your sibling would know, right? And when your mom has a fever, most probably, most of the times, your father, your siblings and you know that, right? And your sibling is hurt, your sibling, you, your parents both know that. When you're bleeding, it's also a physical condition, which should be known in the family because at least, most families face the issues like the girl is bleeding, so she doesn't want to go out. But the father says, it's a holiday, let's go out. And mother forces the child to go out because her father is free. Because the father doesn't know. In those situations are kind of awkward, right?
But if there's a situation like that, I feel like my mom would tell it in
Then ask your mom to tell it. If you don't want to tell your dad directly, you can ask your mom to tell it. But they should know. That's what I'm saying. Yeah? What's your name? Fahana. It's normal. Actually, it's a rare blessing. Yeah? Why? I mean, yeah, you can get rid of your periods through a surgical method, and that would also mean that you will never have a child. You can never give birth. They literally remove your uterus.
Can you please talk to the children about how to maintain hygiene while they are in school or while traveling and taking care of things, and then end the session?
Sure, ma'am.
Because we have about 5 to 7 minutes
Sure,
left.
ma'am.
Girls, can I have everybody's attention? Please pay attention instead of having gossiping between each other. No more questions. Ma'am is going to talk to you about something important. Please listen to her all zip. Let your ears work.
Right? You do know the meaning of hygiene. Periods are messy. They're bloody, messy, and very uncomfortable. Right? Maintaining hygiene during your periods is very important. Not because it will improve your mood or something, or it will help everybody else. It will help you. Taking care of yourself, having a hygiene routine when you are on your periods is very helpful for your own safety. You, as Bhavani ma'am already said, start using cups instead of pads, because pads also accumulate a lot of bacteria when you're wearing them. Right? Yeah. You can Google it or just go to the shop. Okay. I'll get back to you right after the session, and I'll literally come to you and I'll talk to you, okay? Ma'am just said no more questions. Gets periods, puts a pad. You get whisper ads or stay free ads, right? There's a pad in it. You put that to your panty, which can accumulate a lot of sweat and bacteria. Cups are like in a shape of cup with a small adjustable a line to it at the end of it. You fold the cup and put it inside your hole, vagina. And when it expands, it sets perfectly in your vagina, so that the blood does not come out and it, gets accumulated there only. And the most cups don't fall out. It's also in the way you keep it and what brand you're using, and etc. etc. But they, are more hygienic than pads. And whenever you're sweating a lot in your periods, some sweat a lot during their periods. Try keeping an extra pair of clothes with you, extra pair of panty or pant. When you are sweating a lot, you can change. Okay? And when you're traveling, especially when you get periods and you also have to travel, there are situations when you have to travel, but you have got your periods. Please try to ensure, if you are coming to school also, please ensure that you have your menstrual cup, or if you are still using pads, a pad in your bag at all times. Periods can be irregular, messy, and disturbing. Carry an extra pad or cup with you whenever you go, anywhere you go. An extra panty so that you can wear it. Okay? One cup or one pad in your bag is not going to be a big thing. It's not going to weigh a lot, or it's not going to, if a boy sees it also. We were told in my school when I was in 6th, 7th class, there was a whisper company came to our school to talk about hygiene, like I came here, right? And then they said, keep it in your bag. And 90% of the girls who went out of that room never kept an extra pad in their bags because men might see it. Boys, while trying to take a pen or when they are fighting with us or messing around, they might see it, say in the thinking that men might see it, they don't keep it in their bags. Don't do that. If boys sees your pads, your cups, it's fine. Carrying them is important. Wherever you go, whenever you have a small bag, add one pad or cup to it because we don't know what might be the situation. Even if you don't get your periods, you're offended. What will you do? Rush around? No, right? We should have one with us. It's like if you have sight, you have specs. Right? Makes sense. Whenever, if somebody has headache specs, they carry it with in their bag, right? They don't know when they get their headache. Periods are also same. There are physical condition. Carrying a pad is not wrong. So please, please, please have one extra pad or cup in your bags from now on, wherever you go. Even if it's to school, even if it's outside playing, beach, or travel, or vacation, no matter what, have a period supplement or instrument with you all the times. Okay, and that's all my time today. Wait.
Please, 1 minute. We will talk about it.
Do they not have washroom? There are dustbins in the washroom, right?
Restrooms are there, dustbins.
No, the dustbins. She just said.
He said, children, this is important.
Don'ts of periods. Don't leave your pad or cup anywhere around. Wrap it in a paper because obviously it's bloody and does not look good. And you can't just dispose it because if the blood gets onto anything else, it's also going to cause many health issues to others. Right? So wrap your pads, whoever uses pads, wrap it in a paper. Fold it properly and dispose it in a dustbin only. Don't leave it anywhere else. Dustbin only. If you don't find a dustbin in your washroom, step outside. There must be one washroom, one dustbin in your floor, right?
Yes or no?
One dustbin in your floor is a mandatory, right? Drop it in the dustbin only. Wrap it properly in a paper. Don't leave it here and now. Don't throw it directly. Wrap it up, then throw it in the dustbin only.
Do not flush them. Do not
Seriously? Did anyone of you did that? Okay. Flushing your pads in the toilet is a literal big no. That can clog all the walls, all the pipes in your...
It really worked out. I know the bill is ringing, but please give me 5 minutes. I'll wrap it up. 3 minutes, okay? Not even 5 minutes, 3 minutes, okay? See, this is very important that girl understands the menstrual hygiene very clearly. One more thing just I wanted to add was, you know your cycle, right? Every 28 days is your cycle. So before your period starts, just look at the date and ensure that your pubic hair is completely clean. The reason is if there is pubic hair, because of the blood that comes out, there's a chances of you having fungal infection or bacterial infection. Okay, so if the area is completely clean, there will be no bacterial infection, there will be no fungal infection, right? It is in our hands how healthy we are, right? So 2 things. One is we are the strongest on the planet. The other half is not as strong as We are. So believe that, trust that, and if anybody is trying to tell you that you are weaker or you're weak, tell them clearly that, boss, we know what we are. Right? And another thing is be confident. Menstruation is part of our life. We are always happy to bleed. This universe is there because we bleed. Hadn't we were not bleeding, there was no reproduction, there was no universe, there was nothing. So always be happy to bleed. Don't take it as a complaint. Don't get afraid of it, get scared of it, or don't think bad about it. It is very common for every woman. And you know what statistics says? That women who have their monthly cycles, till they have their monthly cycles, they will not get heart attack. Do you know that? That is one advantage for women. Women who bleed don't get heart attack. Okay? So always be happy to bleed and have a healthy and a safer life. As you said, I went to the boys' class and you were absolutely right. Boys don't listen. I had very tough time telling them, and I told them very clearly that we are strong. You may make noises, right? You can make noises and you can create noises, but we are the one who can control the entire universe. Okay? Thank you, girls. It was very nice talking to you. I hope you got some takeaways for you in your lifetime, and you'll be able to help other girls also with the knowledge that you've got, and happy to bleed. Thank you.
I want everybody to remain seated. The ones at the very last row will slowly start walking out, one row at a time.
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.